Hello guys, welcome back. So, if your Samsung dishwasher has started leaving behind odors, residue, or doesn't feel as fresh after a cycle, running a self-clean can make a noticeable difference. Over time, grease, soap buildup, and tiny food particles collect inside areas you don't normally see, and that buildup affects both performance and hygiene. Samsung includes a dedicated self-clean feature designed to flush out all that internal residue and keep the machine running efficiently. A lot of users either skip this step or don't know the exact way to activate it, which is why the dishwasher gradually loses its effectiveness. Doing this regularly keeps everything clean inside without needing manual scrubbing. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to run the self-clean cycle on your Samsung dishwasher the correct way. Try these first. Step 1. Empty the dishwasher completely and remove all dishes. Step 2. Check and clean the filter at the bottom of the unit. Step 3. Add a dishwasher cleaner or a cup of vinegar inside. Step 4. Press the self-clean button on the control panel. Step 5. Start the cycle and allow it to run without interruption. Step 6. Open the door after completion and let the interior air dry.